Hi folks, today I'm going to unbox my new charger from Satechi. It's a ChargeView 140W desktop charger. It has 4 USB-C and it also has smart power distribution, which is the one that I am looking for. Okay, before that, this is a not sponsored video, so I bought this device from my own money. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox this guy. So this is what's in the box. First of course the charger itself. Wow guys, I can tell you this is very nice. It has a premium feel and it's made from premium material, I guess. Wow, and I like the color of it. It's matching with the space gray color of the Apple stops. See, here I have the magic tripod. This is one of the reasons why I choose this charger. Okay, we have charger here, and then we have the dock. So this dock is to, based on their picture, it should be like this. Or we can use it like this way. Just a nice option to put in on your computer desk. And we have the, okay, this is sticker, but we put it at the bottom, I guess. So when we don't want to use this, and we can use just lay down in the somewhere to avoid the scratch on the back. And then what else we have? Of course, the power cable. That's all. Oh man, that's nice. Okay, the size is also one of the thing that make me to purchase this charger, because it's very small, right? And it's very light as well. So I need a charger that I can put in my bag that support multiple device charger. Previously I have this one from Anker. I believe this one is 200W prime charger. Yeah, right. This one Anker prime charger. There's a 4 port of USB-C and 2 USB-A. But this is much heavier than this one. I know it has a more port, right? Because it has a 6 port compared to this one with 4 port only. But still, the like and the size is very perfect for traveling or walk outside the home. Yeah. So basically, I sacrifice 2 more ports, which is I never use USB anymore, to get the lighter and color matching with my MacBook Pro and my iPad as well. Okay, let's turn this guy on and see how it looks, because based on their picture, they should show a smart LCD screen here. Satechi. Okay. From what I learned from their website, this charger has total 140 watts. So it doesn't mean every port have 140 watts charger capability. It's not. It's in total. So in single charger, it support 140 watt in the first port and 140 watt as well on the second port. But the third and the fourth port, it maximum at 40 watts. But when you use the two charger port, first and second port will support max to 100 watts, and the third and fourth port have 40 watt as well. So let's say for example you charge on port 1 and port 3, it's gonna be 100 watts and 40 watts. But if you use the first and second port together, it's gonna be 70 watt and 70 watt. But if you use the third port and the fourth port together, it's gonna be 20 watts and 20 watts maximum. So it's a bear in mind when you plug your device. In this channel, we use the one for my MacBook Pro, second port for my iPad Pro, and the third and the fourth port I'm going to use for my iPhone, as well as to charge my either Apple Watch or my AirPod. But if you use the three port together, let's say you want to use the first, two, and third port. First will be max at the 65 watt, second is at 45 watt, and the third at 30 watt maximum. So it's pretty complicated, guys, but you have to check their website to see the calculation in total. But so far 140 watt is enough for me to do the traveling and then maybe work from cafes. It's perfect. Plus the small form factor is to fit on my backpack, very nice, and the light is very prefer for to carry every day. Cool. And then whether the question is whether this one is worth the money. To be honest, I don't know, guys. This charger is quite expensive, especially in my country, in Indonesia. But with the good name of Satechi and their build quality and also the secure power system management, I think this charger is worth to buy. Yeah, in my opinion. I don't know, guys. So how do you think, guys? Whether this charger is good or fits with your needs, or you can stick with the cheaper one? I never have issue with Anker. I've been using this charger for almost 1.5 years now. I never have any single problem with it. I just need a more small, lighter. Yeah, this one. I chose this one from Satechi. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you feel this video is helpful. Okay, have a good day.